Okay, we're back. We're back again, man. Hey, I'm still laughing. I'm still laughing from the previous video, man. If you haven't seen it, please, yeah, go check the previous video out. It's actually this one. Funny as hell. Funny, very, very funny, very, very funny. But hey, welcome back to another reaction channel video. Welcome back to another reaction video. I remain your guy, your broski, the mask Rialto, man. And if you are just seeing this video for the first time or seeing this channel for the first time, I welcome you to the Masked Rialto channel, aka Niger Gangster. And on this side of YouTube, excuse me, on this side of YouTube, we do not partake in violence, neither do we indulge in violence, but we definitely enjoy seeing violence and viewing violence on God. Hey, if you're not Nigerian, you probably will not understand what I mean by that. And if you're not a South African who likes Nigerian, you probably would not understand as well. But hey, as time goes on, you will know what we mean when we say violence on God. So today, but rather right now, we are still reacting to the Hunt Game Show. Find Your Love, Find Your Match by our sister Nose Mirage in the streets of Lagos, Nigeria. And yeah, let's just go straight to the next video, man. I don't want to waste much of your time because I got a place to be soon. I gotta go take my shower and I gotta go to work. On God. So boom.
It's been 4 years.
Oh wait, she has a bodyguard on this one? Why is bodyguard ha- and handcuffs? Why? Why do you have a bodyguard? Is someone threatening you, Mr. Mirage? Okay. Focus. Focus. Focus on the cause at hand. I hope this one will be as funny as the previous one. So let's go.
Since we did this show, only violence. Thank you, Jesus. It's be like say Toby. Toby, make over your carry.
Bro, why does the bodyguard looks like Nedu Azobia? He look and he's just as short as Nedu Azobia. Is that you, bro? Nedu Azobia, is that you? Huh? Do you have two jobs now? I don't even know how many jobs this guy has, man. He's a content creator, podcast host, and now he's a bodyguard. That's crazy. He's also a comedian, right? So that's crazy. Multiple streams of income. We want that.
Carry just come. What? Hi guys, welcome to the Hunt Game Show.
Hey, I have to pause it one more time, bro.
Well, we have
because Nose Mirage is looking fine as hell on this video, bro. She's looking sexy as fuck on this video, Nose Mirage. God damn. Okay. I see what you're doing. Can't hate on it.
two strangers find love. We are still on the streets of Lagos, so hey, because people when they single for Lagos, they plenty. I remain your greatest host, Nance Mirage. Okay, and I'm bringing you one good news from our sponsor, our greatest sponsor, Toby Makeovers. This is their bumps remover cream. If you have hairs in your private parts, in your nyash, your armpit, your nose, anywhere where hair, even your eyebrow, you want to remove it without having bumps, use their bumps remover cream from Toby Makeovers. And thank you.
Bro, are you seriously telling people to put this cream in their nostrils? Are you serious? Don't do that, please. Don't do that. Which guy?
Later. So sad.
Do you know what chemicals are in that thing you're gonna put in your nose? It will just destroy your nostrils, man, bro. Don't even.
Here is your package from Toby Makeovers. Here you go. And here is your package, ma'am. What would you say for Toby?
Thank you, Toby.
Yay. What do you say, sir?
Thank you, Toby.
Yes, Toby, we love you. So let's go straight to the point. Are you seeing all of us? All of us are in frame, right? Okay, so sir, please tell us your name, your age, and what you do for a living.
My name is Prince Dizo, and let me say I'm a serial entrepreneur. I'm a rector. I sell meal wares.
Okay.
And I'm 31.
Huh?
I'm 31.
31 years old. Okay, please, ma'am, tell me your age, your name, and what you do for a living.
I'm Ada Mbajuma. I'm 24 years old.
Okay, please be more audible.
I'm into building stainless steel handrails and wrought iron for gates and doors.
Wow. This woman a businesswoman, oh. Okay, so what kind of man do you like, please?
I like me an understanding guy, a guy that can take care of me and cater for me. I like a guy that is like defensive when it comes to having issues, supportive also. Yes.
Defensive when it comes to having issues. What do you mean by that? Defensive when it comes to having issues. Do you mean like a guy who can defend you? Is that what you're trying to say? What you mean, defensive?
All right, please tell us the type of woman that you like, sir.
I love I like a God-fearing woman.
God-fearing?
Yes, a woman who is not lazy.
Lazy?
And a woman who respects me, and that's it.
Okay. So in 3, 2, 1, they're going to unveil themselves and we'll find out if they're a match or they're not a match. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, sir, please reveal yourself. Please, don't go away from the camera. Come close, please. Come close. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, sir, please, can you rate her?
7.
Seven is a pass mark. Okay. God, please give me softness from above. Shh. Relax, please. On a scale of 1 to 10, please rate him.
I'll rate him 6 over 10.
6 over 10?
Yeah.
Okay, that's above pass mark. Okay. So, Sam, why did you give us?
Hey, Nurse Mirage, you're looking like a piece of snack in this video, dude. I won't even lie to you, fam. You feel me? You're looking like a piece of snack right now. I can just... On God.
7 over 10?
She's beautiful. And I can't say much, but she's beautiful, and I feel she's looking calm. I like calm ladies.
She looks like a wife material. She looks like someone that can support you. Like, let's hear more. Like, what do you see? Like, making you just beautiful.
I mean, she already said what she's doing, and I felt like what she's doing is what a guy is supposed to be doing. So for her to be doing it, she looks like the kind of lady I want. I want a hardworking woman. I didn't say you should work out yourself, but at least be hardworking. Help me turn my 1 naira to 2 naira. A supportive woman, and so she's okay.
She did not hear though. Everywhere is quiet. I can hear anything I drop now. You hear it. Okay, why did you give him 6 over 10?
He looks good, and I think he's a cool guy. We can go together to love each other. If at all we find love.
She's being realistic. I like it. She's being realistic.
Why people love each other? They do like wait till they have. Wait, just they do. That's a breathe. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate him again? I'm asking you again.
9.
Mama, I've increased it because they said what he said. Hey, baby. Okay, let's do this. Let's go straight to the point. So, sir, is it a yes or a no from you?
Were you expecting me to say no?
I don't know. There's too much violence in Lagos. I don't know. I don't know what to expect, sir. If you even tell me no now, I don't be ready for him. So,
I've watched your show, and when I was coming here, I didn't prepare to do violence. Yeah, it doesn't have to be violence all the time. Even if it's a no, there's a way you would do it. I've been watching people fighting, and but aside that, I think it's a yes. I like her.
This man came to the Horn Game show with the mindset that he's ready to find love.
I'm never.
Nobody actually comes here to fight. Most people just come here. Maybe it turns out that way. Do you understand? If it was maybe if you had started fighting, you would have seen a different side of her. Maybe, but you're calm. So I feel if every other guy had approached some girls the way you're approaching him, there's no person that is mad. They obviously maybe could.
Some people are mad though. Don't say that. Some people are just naturally mad and stupid. Especially in that Lagos. There's more mad people in Lagos than sane people. Don't come at me because I will reply you in the comment section. I don't give a fuck.
The same way, so it happens. Nobody plans this thing here. Do you get? So it's a yes from him. Now this is the moment we'll be waiting for. Let's find out from the girl if it's gonna be a yes or a no. It all depends on her. If she says no, we can't work with yes and no. We work with yes.
If she says no, it's not stress.
Yes,
it's fine.
So, my sister, is it? God, I beg. Make we just do this new month. I beg God. Is it a yes or is it a no? What's your name again?
Ada.
You're Igbo from where?
Imo State.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Delta, but the Igbo speaking part of Delta.
That's very good. Okay. People used to even ask us to say their genotype, but that not concern me. More than to bring people together and then they do their research on their own.
I have a proud let me say we are the proud type. I'm AA.
Hey, voila. Hey. You see like this? People like say yes.
Yes, I'm yes.
Oh, okay. So that's why we ask this kind of question for the show. She did like this, meaning that it be like say something good to come out from this.
That's actually smart. That's dope. You see, I know we like seeing violence, but sometimes it doesn't always have to be about violence. Like my brother initially said, it doesn't have to always be about violence. Sometimes you need to let peace and love reign. You see how I'm smiling right now? I like it. I like love. Love is not, but love, love can be a beautiful thing if propagated and handled and managed correctly. You get me?
Okay,
I'm smart.
Please, straight to the point. Is it a yes or it's a no from you, Ada?
It's a yes. A big yes.
I don't hear this well. Bouncer, bouncer. Yeah. I don't hear violence. Wait, I don't know how to react. Should I jump? Should I shout? Should I?
How are you taller than your bouncer? If you guys are walking in the streets, who is protecting who? Huh?
Is it a yes from you, please?
It's a yes.
Hey, but the guy could actually be like a good fighter. Like he could. Hey, a size in terms of a street fight, size doesn't really matter. It doesn't really play a huge role if you know the basics of fighting. Otherwise, you're dead.
Yes.
We have a macho.
So in love with you.
It's been 4 years since we did this show. Only violence. Thank you, Jesus. It's been like say Toby Makeover, you carry just come. What? Hey, Jesus, sir. Sir, let me please hug her if it's a match. Let's see. Hug her. Why you keep a straight face, this girl? You don't like what you see?
I like it, but
shy.
I'm shy for the camera, but after you will see my.
You are a prostitute.
This is the part where we say, close the camera, cut the camera out. Let's go inside and I'll show you what I can do to you. Oh, God.
Me. Yes.
We have a match, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do anymore. Oh. When I didn't even see, you want to exchange numbers already, okay? Okay. This is the Hunt Game Show. I just tell people that even if people are not finding love, you can find love on. Even if they're not finding love, you can find love on the Hunt Game Show. Hey, Jesus. Send us a DM at _Hunt Games or at Announcement Raj on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. We're there for you. And don't forget to use Toby Makeover's Bumps Remover Cream for any place where you get hair for your body. All right. Good night. God bless. Bye.
Hey, but Nos Mirage, you looking like a piece of snack. I said that again with pride. But hey, this was a nice video, man. There was nothing violent about the video. It was just all pure love and peace and harmony. And sometimes we do enjoy that because a foundation built on love, peace, and harmony stands strong. In fact, stands forever. But it doesn't mean sometimes we don't. Like, yeah, sometimes it's all about violence on God, you feel me? But yeah, as per usual, we go check out the comment section and see what people are saying about the video, man. Two two matured people. I'll agree. The handcuff is to join people by force. I was asking about the handcuffs though. Like, why do you have handcuffs here? Are you into some BDSM shit, huh? Do you like some BDSM shit? Let me know. Cause we crazy over here. On God. I wish them successful relationship. Why is the bouncer with handcuffs? I don't know. They are just two responsible people. I'm so proud of them. Oh, they were actually putting on the two love colors, white and red. Is that the color of love? I didn't know that. Thank you for letting me in on some lessons. Now this one be love at first sight. Yeah, not me smiling like, but I was smiling as well too. You see, see me smiling all through. You see, people actually like people actually like love. They actually like the concept of love. But just because we are Nigerians, we can't we always tend to let our violent nature take the better of us. You feel me? It's crazy though. But we like it. Nobody's talking about the editing of the videos, man. Oh, so lovely. I literally cried. You want some tissue papers? Huh? When will you come to that? I have a friend for this show. Hey, oh God, for real though, I want to be in this show. I would like to be in the show at some point. At some point, I'll be in the show for sure. I don't know when. I have to come to Nigeria first. I don't even. Yeah, but yeah, it needs to be planned for, man, because I got a whole lot going on over here. But yeah, nah, I would definitely. I'll come to the show at some point. At some point, y'all might see me and y'all won't even know it's me because I won't have this mask on. But yeah, thanks for checking out this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give me a like. Please share the video. Drop your favorite part in the comment section, and please subscribe so we can keep doing these videos. And if you enjoyed this content, just subscribe, man. You don't have to pay 1 cent to subscribe. You just click on it. It's fine. Just that will go cheap. All right, man. I hope to see you on the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful day ahead of y'all. And peace out, gang.